Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer music from MacBook Air to iPhone. So the first step is to simply plug your iPhone to your Mac, and then you're gonna have to open the Finder. Then you're gonna have to select your iPhone from the locations list and then select music. Now what you're gonna have to do next is simply enable sync music, and here if you want you can sync the entire music library, or if you want you can select the second option and you can select which songs you want to sync, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.